Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to add a link on Instagram story. So open up Instagram and go to story section. Okay, now just tap on the sticker icon on the middle side and search for link, right? And here you can see there are lots of GIF stickers available. And here you can see link sticker I'm just searching for, and you can just choose and select your desired sticker. So I'm just selecting click here, which is pretty much engaging. Now you can adjust. You can put that link which you want to share and which you want to click on, and you can just adjust the link position or the GIF or that sticker position according to your needs. Okay, and simply tap on done, and you can simply share it to your Instagram story. So in this way you can just add a link on your Instagram story.